Let's talk about another type, and we've kind of alluded to this in earlier sections. You remember using the print method, and we put hello world. What was hello world wrapped in? Quotes. We wrapped that text value inside of quotes. We're going to talk about string types. Okay? Take a look. So back into my command window, I'm going to bring up Python, and I'm going to bring in some more variables here. I'm going to bring in one called A, and I'm going to make it equal to hello world. There we go. I'm going to hit my enter key, and once again, that value, in this case hello world, in quotes, is now being stored inside the variable called A. So I'll say print A. I'm going to hit my enter key, and there's hello world. Now, what's the type? Well, remember we can use type, and I'll throw in A, hit my enter key, and I can see that it is of type class string. It's a string data type or a text value. Now, what if we had, I'll bring in another variable called B, and let's say this is going to be, let's see, third rock from the sun. Sun. All right, I hit my enter key here. Now, this has got a mix of values in it. It's got text values, RD, rock from the sun, but it's also got an integer, a numeric value in there of 3. Well, if I say print type B, I call the variable B, well, what's this going to be? What's it going to return? It's a mixed value. It's a string. Because it's got string values in there, or text values in there, it is considered a string value. Okay? Doesn't matter, it has numbers in there. It's being treated as a string. Now, there's all sorts of stuff you can do with strings. Okay? We're going to talk about in the next video, we're going to talk about various methods that come along with the string type. Some really neat ones, some very, very useful ones in there, and also some useful ones for combining multiple methods together. But first, got some variables, got some data types. You got numeric, you got string types here. Remember, numeric got integers and floats that we talked about here. Try this out. Try out a couple strings. Just get a feel for it. And then in the next video, we'll talk about the various methods and what you can do with string types.